Sweet, my new Galaxy phone. Let's get all my stuff transferred over. So let's go to Settings. And here we can search for Smart Switch. Now we'll agree to the terms. And tap Allow. And tap Receive Data. Select the old device and how I'm going to transfer. All set to go. Let me just grab my cable here and the USB adapter. Voila! Okay, a couple extra steps. Great! Now I can copy all that I want from my old phone to my new phone, including all my messages. Now that it's finished, disconnect the USB. I can even sync my iCloud, get matching Android apps, and if I need to, disable iMessage from here. Awesome!